when I have mac and cheese in my mind and in my head. And I remember today is Friday. I'm supposed to be relaxing and not cook. And what next? Seriously, let's make mac and cheese. Okay, enough of the drama. Right, so I finally made the mac and cheese. What I did was to add water, salt, and add my mac and cheese pasta. You can use the spiral pasta. While that is cooking, I'll go ahead and put some butter, flour, then mix it properly, add some milk. Also added some spices. At this point, you can add any spice of your choice. Me, I'm master of spices. So I'll just keep on stirring, and when I'm done with stirring, I'll add my cheese. I'll stir again. At this point, I'll add the macaroni pasta into my cheese base and I'll mix it properly. I'm already loving the texture. Wow. So after this, I'm going to add that to my baking tray, my mac and cheese to my baking tray. Mac and cheese is always plain, right? You know, the normal stuff. But I decided to add some topping. I added prawn. Now I'm added my sweet corn. It's just to give it that special taste, you see. So then my onion. I like onion a lot. It's just to give it that, look. Yeah, that's my mac and cheese ready for dinner tonight. And I'll put that in the oven to bake for 20 minutes. I think I shouldn't fall into the temptation of cooking on Fridays. Anyways, this is my mac and cheese. It's ready, and I hope you're going to be making one. And I hope you enjoy the video as well. I'll see you all in my next one. At this point, I'll say bye.